A group greeting to everyone and Miss Hazara. My name is Muniwon. I am a group leader from Group 13. Now I will present the presentation tutorial work for question 1. Question 1.1. Assuming the price of label L is $5 per unit and the price of capital K is $10 per unit. What production technique should this firm use to produce 2 units of output? We label the price of label L is $5 and label the price of capital K is $10. First step, we build a table to calculate all output for the units of variable and inputs. First, for 1 unit of output, using the techniques A, for units of variable is x times 10 equal to $80. 4 times 10 is equal to $40. For the 2 units of output using the techniques A is 14 times 10 equal to $140. For B technique is 8 times 10 equal to $80. For 3 units of output using the techniques A is 16 times 10 equal to $160. For B technique is 12 times 10 equal to $120. For inputs, 1 unit of output for using techniques A is x times 5 equal to $40. For B technique is 12 times 5 equal to $60. For 2 units of output using the techniques A is 12 times 5 equal to $60. For B techniques is 20 times 5 equal to $100. For 3 units of output using the techniques A is 12 times 5 equal to $60. For B technique is 22 times 5 equal to $110. The second step is use the formula that is total cost equal to WL plus RK. TC is total cost, L is labor, K is capital, W is price of labor, R is price of capital. Total cost for 2 units of output using techniques A is $20 plus $140 equal to $200. Total cost for 2 units of output using techniques B is equal to $100 plus $80 and then equal to $180. Therefore, the firm will use the techniques B to produce 2 units of output in order to minimize the cost. For 1.2 question is assume the price of label L is $5 per unit, the price of capital K is $10 per unit, and that firms attempt to minimize cost. The total variable cost of producing 1 unit of output is. First step, we refer back to the table. And second step, we use the formula that is total variable cost equal to units of variable times price. Total variable cost for 1 unit of output using techniques B is 4 times 10 equal to $40. Therefore, the total variable cost of producing 1 unit of output is $40. 1.3 question is refer to table 8.1. Assume that the relevant time period is the short run. Assuming the price of label L is $5 per unit and the price of capital K is $10 per unit, the average variable cost of producing 2 units of output is. First step, we also refer back to this table. And second step, we use the formula that is average variable cost is equal to total variable cost divided by quantity. Average variable cost for 2 units of output using techniques B is x times 10 and divide by 2. The final answer is $40. So that the average variable cost of producing 2 units of output is $40. The last question, 1.4, is refer to table 8.1. Assume the price of label L is $5 per unit. The price of capital K is $10 per unit, and that firms attempt to minimize cost. The marginal cost of producing the third unit of output is. We also refer back to this table. And then second step, we use the formula that is I present just now in previous slide. The total cost is equal to WL plus RK. Total cost for 2 units of output using Technics A is equal to $60 plus $140 and then equal to $200. Total cost for 2 units of output using Technics B is equal to $100 and $80 and then $180. The total cost for 2 units of output using Technics B will be selected. That is $180 because its cost is low. The total cost for 3 units of output using Technics A is equal to $60 plus $160 and then equal to $220. Total cost for 3 units of output using Technics B is equal to $110 and plus $120. The final answer is $230. The total cost for 3 units of output using Technics A will be selected. That is $220 because the cost is low. The last step, we also use the formula that is marginal cost. Marginal cost is equal to change in total cost divided by change in quantity. Marginal cost equal to $220 minus $180 divided by 3 minus 2. The final answer is $40. So that the marginal cost of producing the third unit of output is $40.